Hey, what's up?
Hi, girl. Nothing much. Just having a tea and answering some emails. And you?
Um, well, I'm actually calling because I have something to tell you.
Like what? Tell me. If Stacy's flirting with Matt again, I swear I'm gonna. I don't know.
No. Remember you told me to call you if I ever needed you?
Yes, go on.
Well, I went to go see the doctor yesterday and he said, he said,
What did she say?
he said I was pregnant.
What?
So, what is the difference between say and tell? Well, you always say something, but you tell someone something. So, say focuses on the words a person actually says out of their mouth. For example, I can't wait to go on holiday, he said. And another example could be, he said he couldn't wait to go on holiday. And this would be very similar to the previous example. Same meaning, just a different structure. And again, we are using say to show what the person said, what he said. Now, tell means to communicate something to someone. So you can communicate information, you can communicate your opinion, your emotions, but it always involves another person or an animal, the listener who will be receiving that information. An example could be, I told her it was my birthday. And here I am sharing that information with another person, her. Another example could be, my mom told me I needed to change my priorities. So here again, I have two people involved, my mom and me. So I would use tell instead of say. Now that we know the difference, let's go into more detail on how to use each one. So as you saw in my previous examples, tell is always used with an indirect object. And that indirect object would be the listener. The listener could be a person or an animal that is receiving the information that you are giving. For example, I told her I was pregnant. Now, say is not used with an indirect object. So, for example, I said I was pregnant. It's only me. I'm not telling anyone anything. I said I was pregnant. However, we can say something to someone, which is in that case, we can add an indirect object to say, but only if we introduce that object with the proposition to. So you would say something to someone, and that would be the only exception. Let's see an example. I said to her that I was pregnant. So now here I am including I and her with said, and only, this is only possible because I'm using to. I said to her that I was pregnant. Now let's take a look at some more examples. Remember, you always say something, but you tell someone something. Let's see some examples comparing them both. Mark said that he was retiring soon. Mark told us that he was retiring soon. Sarah said to Emily that she was late. Sarah told Emily that she was late. I passed my exam, said Tom to his parents. Tom told his parents that he passed his exam. Now, I have a question for you. Can you give me a sentence using say and tell? Comment below. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on notifications for future videos. I'll see you next week. Mwah! Bye for now.